Welcome to Sapphire Systems. Sapphire Systems delivers business-specific software, services, and solutions, including Infor Enterprise Asset Management. Infor EAM delivers an enterprise solution, bringing together purchasing, asset management, work order management, and materials management, with an overall emphasis on improving performance and helping businesses make better decisions. Infor EAM is built to solve the issues in your industry. Several features work across all industries, such as analytics, alerts, and escalations. However, there are industry-specific solutions covering the industries shown here, like oil and gas and facilities management, but also others such as utilities are covered. In today's global economy, competition is fierce and the cost of materials, energy, and transportation is rising. Many assets are aging, regulations are growing more stringent, budgets becoming tighter, and your stakeholders continue to demand more. To meet these demands, you need to ensure you're getting the most from your assets and staff members that are directly responsible for the health of your company's bottom line. Infor EAM is a functionally rich system offering specific solutions for your business, covering all aspects of the asset cycle and beyond. Infor EAM offers an easy-to-use interface and flexible with configurable design. Fields can be altered, made mandatory, and protected to tailor a user experience that suits you. Adding and removing fields enables a flexibility to support specific business processes and overall ensures data security and smooth navigation of the system. With user-specific dashboards, employees can navigate seamlessly to the data they need via inboxes and any number of relevant key performance indicators. These KPIs offer drill-down functionality to instantly find the root cause of any issue. Infor EAM has an array of reporting capabilities, from standard graphs and charts to CAD-enabled metrics and Gantt chart displays. Sapphire Systems with Infor EAM offers solutions specifically to help you control spend against your budgets, improve the availability and performance of your assets or facilities, comply with any of your business-specific goals, defer capital expenditures, use analysis tools to increase performance visibility, and integrate with any FMS, ERP, or legacy systems. Infor EAM gives you complete flexibility in how you structure your assets, giving your business the knowledge to see where any single piece of equipment is, without compromising on losing valuable information, even when something is moved or scrapped. The costs accrued can be rolled up or down depending on your business processes. Full equipment history gives you the complete picture of an asset's life, and your assets can be built up over time with associated costs managed in any way you please. Rich functionality gives your company the power to fully understand your assets and the importance they play to your company's strategic future. With your fingers on the pulse, Infor EAM gives you a complete picture of your asset register. Infor EAM has an array of reporting capabilities, from standard graphs and charts to CAD-enabled metrics and Gantt chart displays. Sapphire Systems with Infor EAM allows you to fully utilize the warranties you pay for, ensuring you'll always claim when possible. Know exactly where your assets are and what they're costing. Keep your FMS fully updated with asset value. Get specific with energy consumption. Improve your performance with increased visibility, all whilst effortlessly maintaining asset history. For materials management, Infor EAM can solve your inventory problems. Imagine the cost of your business for holding excess stock. This can lower your profits as well as old stock declining in value as it remains unused. With Infor EAM, you can class your inventory with ABC analysis, finding those items that have a significant impact on your overall inventory cost. You're also able to calculate the economic order quantity for your stores, giving you the most efficient quantities to order for inventory items. Automatic stock replenishment means that important items will always be purchased in time, not only keeping critical spares in store, but also reducing your freight costs by reordering with plenty of time to spare. Together, this functionality allows you to prioritize your important stock items, replenish your stock automatically, removing human error, and select substitute parts, as well as view other organizational stores easily, all reducing the need to reorder unnecessary stock. Materials management brings with it endless amounts of data, with many different departments requiring different kinds of information. An enterprise solution is what you need. Infor EAM provides individual start centers. Here we see some information a materials manager may be interested in, completely tailored for their ease of use. Key performance indicators can show details on items such as total value of stock, or the items that are out for repair. This powerful functionality cuts through all things users don't need to see and reduces time to find key information. Security can be set at any level, giving a validated approach to materials management. Transaction history can be easily reviewed, and auditing capabilities give a real understanding of a material's history. Many organizations struggle to keep up to date with their inventory data. This inventory accuracy problem can be rectified with the functionality of Infor EAM. Standard system functionality such as part inspections and physical inventory checks give a stable view of the inventory information. Superior reporting and analysis tools give easy ways to spot trends and data anomalies, with even the capability to have alerts sent automatically when required. The automatic stock calculation function means users will not need to type in new stock quantities or prices. Correct levels of security mean only select users can undertake certain tasks, protecting your inventory data. And with all reports and analysis tailored for your business-specific needs, the system will tell you when something needs to be done. For purchasing, Infor EAM can be delivered in line with your business processes. Here, operational staff can request parts or services required to undertake maintenance or capital works. The requisition is picked up via an alert or on a user's personalized dashboard. Once received, these users can locate suppliers quickly and raise a request for quotation directly from a requisition screen. Once all quotes have been received, the statuses are automatically updated, sending alerts to reduce the chance of important purchases being slowed down or lost completely. This swiftly allows purchase order creation and all documentation designed to fit your corporate standard, followed by goods or service receipts, and concluding with the system standard 3-way invoice matching before allowing approval. This process is smooth and user-friendly, with training needs kept to a minimum. It can be tailored to match your business processes and also be integrated with your FMS or ERP system at any stage. Infor EAM provides a personalized dashboard of inboxes and KPIs to ensure users are only dealing with the information relevant to them. Here you can clearly compare items such as vendor performance and also drill down on KPIs, allowing users to find more details on overriding figures, reducing time to locate potential issues. Budget control is an important factor in all industries. With Infor EAM 10, you are able to import your budget and control spend in a logical and formal manner. Reporting capabilities enable users to drill into information to ease the understanding of complex data. This example shows a user approving a requisition order. With budget control, if such a transaction goes above the budget, a higher level of approval is required. As we see, a financial director will need to approve such overspend. This allows you to automate the control of spend against your budget, and such powerful functionality eliminates unauthorized spending and increases purchasing controls. Authorization levels can also be set by individual. Here, an approval limit is set for a requisition approval. When this user tries to approve a record valued at $14,000, they are prompted to seek a higher level of approval. By setting a user level, we can control not only what records they approve, but also what they create, controlled at all levels of the purchasing process, from purchase requisition through to invoicing. Whether your company maintains or manages facilities, production equipment, vehicles or roads, all industries can make better, quicker business decisions by monitoring performance and getting the right information to the right people in time to make cost-saving decisions. Infor EAM's personalized dashboards give tailored, simple-to-create inboxes with powerful click and filter functionality. Varying organizational roles can effortlessly see exactly what is important to them. User-defined key performance indicators allow powerful statistical analysis of core system data across any area of your business process. Drill-down functionality will enable your business to quickly find the root cause of issues and resolve them before they affect your bottom line. Hyperlinks take you to the filtered raw data where information can be poured into spreadsheets for quick and easy out-of-the-box reporting. The array of reporting options in Infor EAM gives you the power to generate those weekly or monthly reports whilst making sense of complex data and help make better business decisions. Alerts can be set up to inform key players of changes or problems, all allowing quick responses to performance issues. Sapphire Systems with Infor EAM allows you to quickly and easily make decisions. Ensure your assets maintain high levels of performance. Reduce the time it takes to produce reports. Validate data entry. Get the correct information to those who need it, and support the need to adapt and change. The upkeep of equipment and facilities is often overlooked, yet a vital part of a company's profitability. Ensuring your assets' longevity through planned, reactive and proactive maintenance allows you to defer capital expenditure and increase company productivity. Reducing downtime with Infor EAM functionality can inherently help move you closer to your business objectives. There are many ways to raise your work, whether through a call center module, automatically or on mobile devices. The system can meet your needs and ensure equipment remains in a productive state. Work can be effortlessly scheduled, and simple navigation on personalized inboxes or KPIs take users to exactly where they need to be, doing the work that needs to be done. All costs and events are automatically stored on equipment, ensuring a complete overview of assets or facilities. The work order module works effortlessly with materials and purchasing to get the parts and services needed on site quickly, allowing you to manage your projects and tasks without delay. All this gives you a complete control, making your business profitable and productive. Sapphire Systems with Infor EAM allows you to raise work in any number of ways, get the right people in the right places, meet your business goals, create enterprise thinking by linking asset works with other departments, increase performance visibility, and keep detailed histories, whatever your needs. Thank you for watching this Sapphire Systems video for Infor EAM. For further details or to request a demonstration, please contact us or visit our website.